Hello and welcome once again to the Clinical Modeling Project tutorial videos. In this video, we will go through a very important aspect of our video editing process that consists in cutting and trimming the videos. This means cutting out pieces of the video that are not interesting to our final product. This is very important because during the recording process, most certainly you will capture some bits in the beginning or the end of your recording that are not interesting and that you want to cut out of the video. Also, this is very important if you want to create smaller clips of a larger video, and this way you can cut only the part that is interesting for you in your final product. To do so, it's very important that you have in mind something that we spoke about at the previous session. And this consists of reviewing the video beforehand. So as you record your video, you need to keep in mind that you need to view the video and take notes about the parts of it that are interesting to you, that are not interesting, some aspects that you want to highlight, and some of the aspects that you want to cut out. And if you know exactly the parts of the video that you want, that makes this process of cutting the video much easier. In order to do so, what you will do, you will be using only one tool. This red line here is the one and if you travel with it through the timeline, you can see that the video moves. So in order to cut the video, the first thing you need to do is to place this red line on top of the spot that you want to cut the video. In this exercise, I have reviewed this video and I have already defined that it's on the 17 seconds mark of the video that I want to perform a cut. So what you need to do is to drag this red line into the 17 seconds mark, and you can see the timeline here. You can drag it to the 17 seconds line like this. And then you can adjust here by entering the numbers that you want. So let's make it precisely on 17 seconds, enter. And the only thing you need to do is go to the scissors and cut. As you cut, you can see that you created two videos. One with 17 seconds, that is the part that is not interesting to you, and the other part that we will be working with. In order to delete, you can do it two ways. Right click on top of the part that you want to delete and click on delete, or simply select the video and hit delete in your keyboard, and that part will disappear. Now you should move your piece of video back to the beginning of the timeline, and you can continue with the editing. One important aspect is that while you are editing and working on the video that is in the timeline, your original video that is in the dashboard, it's still intact. So you only cut this part, you didn't touch this part. And this is very important. So in the work that I've done previously to this session, I have also defined that I want this video to be 43 seconds long because the last part is not interesting. So you can repeat the process, and we will repeat it. We can go to the 43 seconds mark. We can edit it here to make it precise. We enter 43 seconds precisely. We press enter. Our red line now is put on the 43 seconds, and we will just cut. Again, we have two videos, and the part that is beyond the 43 seconds line, we will delete it. And this is in a very basic way how we can cut and trim a video to make it exactly the size that we want. In the future lessons, we will now go into further steps of editing the video, and we will guide you step by step in this process. Thank you for your attention, and stay tuned to the Clinical Modeling Project. Thank you very much.